Now let us try to see monopoly and perfect competition. Let us try to compare the two. Okay, note that in case of monopoly we saw that this is your deadweight loss, right, and this was your consumer surplus. However, in case of perfect competition, this was the price, okay, this was the quantity, and this was the consumer surplus. There was no deadweight loss. So what happens is, in case of perfect competition, okay, the consumer surplus is higher than the monopoly, right? So see, consumer surplus in monopoly is, let's say if I put pink color, this is the only consumer surplus. In case of monopoly, entire consumer surplus was there. Okay, so what we can say is consumer surplus in the perfect competition is equal to consumer surplus in the monopoly plus your deadweight loss plus some part of deadweight loss, one, only this part, and some part of the producer surplus, right? So the consumer surplus is lost, okay, entire thing it was there, okay, some of them is being captured by the producer, some of them is lost, okay. Now the producer surplus has increased. In the case of perfect competition, this was the price, this was the producer surplus. Now what has happened is the producer surplus has become higher, okay, and producer is losing this amount, okay. Note that this is much more than this, so producer is very happy. Who is sad? Consumer is sad, right? So in a monopoly, the production is less as compared to the perfect competition. Perfect competition, QPC is the quantity. In monopoly, QMON is the quantity. Also the price in the monopoly is higher. See, price in the perfect competition was lower, price in the monopoly is higher, right? Now what is the efficient quantity? Efficient quantity is when the total surplus is maximized, that is the producer surplus plus the consumer surplus is maximized. In monopoly, we have a deadweight loss, so we don't maximize the sum of consumer and the producer surplus, right? So what we see is, we see a concept of rent seeking. Now what is rent seeking? In a rent seeking, we say that the resources and the time is spent to create the monopoly. The company are thinking how to charge higher price, the time and resources are spent on this, rather than thinking how to reduce the deadweight loss, how to increase the efficiency. So in case of rent seeking behavior, the efficiency is lesser, we have a deadweight loss in the economy.